Hi everyone, Norman here. I was asked to do a tutorial on the one move SSK and I thought, well, that's fairly easy, let's do that together. So a normal SSK involves 3 steps. So you slip one knitwise, slip another knitwise, and then you knit these 3 stitches together. It often looks a little bit more on the sloppy side, and also it's 3 steps. But you can do that in 1 step as well. So in this case, you need to enter the first stitch knitwise, but then you keep that on your needle and reach around and enter the second stitch here through the back loop. Then you bring that second loop over to the side, and this will create a little opening here below. And then you just knit these 2 stitches together like so. That's already it. Maybe tighten up a little bit. Let's do that one more time. So enter knitwise, reach around to enter through the back loop, pivot around, and then pull through. One more time. Enter knitwise, go through the second stitch through the back loop. You need to reach around to open that stitch, otherwise it will be a little bit difficult, and then pull through. Let's do that one more time in slow motion. Now this is a super ancient technique, and I probably learned this, I don't know, 20 years ago. Please know that it will not create an SSK but an SSPK. So if you perform it like this, you will create create something that looks as if you would have slipped that second stitch purlwise, and I guess that's the reason why I am not using it. However, I guess this technique or this whole overall method shines in the context of Bavarian twisted stitches. I guess this is where this originated. So you can use it to knit, and because an SSK is nothing else but a 1x1 cable, you knit it together. So you can also do it like this. So you enter the next stitch, the second stitch through the back loop, knit it through the back loop, and then you can knit this first stitch through the back loop. And there you go, you just knitted a mini 1x1 cable. Now if you don't want twisted stitches, you can also enter the second stitch knitwise. My row here is super tight, so it's a bit difficult. Knit that, weave around, and then knit that first stitch. And the result will be a normal 1x1 cable. So this was twisted, which is actually a little bit easier, and this is not twisted. So again, this will be difficult here for these last stitches. So you enter in between, knit that stitch, weave around, and knit the first stitch, and you have a little cable. So this is also a very fun application of the very same principle, SSK and cables. Anyway, that's how to knit an SSK in one move, or rather an SSPK in one move. Comment below if you have any questions, and as always, happy knitting!